In our Manipur constituency, MP Bimol has reaffirmed his stand to work for the welfare of people. He said he will leave his party if it starts to act against people of Manipur. The Lok Sabha MP was speaking on the sideline of a surprise visit to Wangu Ahandlup relief camp under Kumbi constituency today. Suknu MLA K. Ranjit also accompanied the MP Bimol during the surprise visit. Later, people also submitted a memorandum to the MP while apprising about their problems. Speaking further, MP Bimol also informed that a Kendra Vidyalaya will be constructed in a land that will be donated by Suknu MLA K. Ranjit, while maintaining that the end of the violent crisis will be marked by the rehabilitation of displaced persons at their original homes. Bimol said as an MP, he will continue to put pressure on BJP government to bring an end to the ongoing crisis.
I you want to the Hanjan and view. You might have some hijack and Nizaganati, Tauham Tokumatoni, Lenaki. Aduna, it won't be able to look the woman by Sag, Masi Wakano Legamana, Mian and Nizaganati, hijack the Gunati, Pangman Tokudo, Tawon Tokudo, Ivan can you Ninto Ivan at the Lengakai, Kamuse, Nintonate, Mantrina, Temos, time who's becoming Mian. Kala the Karakona, Gani, Miam, the Toronto, the Nato, Piva Toronto, Nato, Chunato, and Hydra Samana, Sian, and you. Later from Kandana, Mayuma gave Padukuna, by going with some brothers, since he put Shiro to the Kali to 1 to E at the door. Nato, I never say, I am the Miam, the Simple Tanzania. See what Colonel Jumpers who talks about him, a sender at the door. Adubo ahong ano Manipur ke khongjang chanchala presida Congress party na flag bearer waraga mangjen thara changan ba party du ohen gadab ni hai se ai na ye party da haijale bai du site hom aduna kanigumba ai party na oida pa da tawra ba ngasi sarkar ta iba party sina tawri ba Manipur de yeng ba miyeng moi ki thong che tra da na cha ne hai gera na bung ne hai na naw ne hai gera Bimol ko bun pa se Congress na sigi ek je tor ko da ai di party da slo yo ba